work with piece the Merry Man. What do we have? We have the piece of sheet. We have a schema. How the notes? How can we put the notes to the neck of the guitar? And we can start. Okay, let's divide the piece for two parts. First part is first line, second part is second line. Let's start work with first part, measure by measure. We can see there is a timing is 3/4, which means we are going to count 1 and 2 and 3 and for this piece. And the first measure includes just only 3 notes. All of them are going to play on the first string. First of them is G, first string, third fret. Second of them is F, which first string, first fret. And third is E, which second string open. Okay. Let's try to do it. Let's try to play it. G, F, E. All of them are quarters. It's very easy to us. 1 and 2 and 3 and one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and G, F, D. Good for us. Second measure. Second measure includes also 3 notes, all of them also quarters, and let's start with it. First is D, second string, third fret. Second is C, second string, first fret, and third is B, which means second string open. C, B, 1 and 2 and 3 and one more time. D, C, B, 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, good for us. Let's play first and second measure all together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Good. First and second measures all together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and one more time. Good. Fourth measure. Fourth measure is it's just only 2 notes on this measure. First is C. It's half note, which is going to sound like 1 and 2 and second string, first fret, 1 and 2 and it is half note. Second note is E, first string, first fret, 3 E. Let's play. 1 and 2 and 3 and good. 1 and 2 and 3 and one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and good. Fourth measure just only 1 note, which is G note first. Secondly, its half note is point. Dot. Dot means that length of the note increase for half of the note. So if it sounds, pure half note sounds like 1 and 2 and, but half of the note 3 and it gives us 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and just 1 note on the measure. So let's play third and fourth measures all together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and one more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and now we can play first, second, third and fourth measures all together. Let's do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 good for us. Let's do it one more time. 1 time, but we gonna call the notes, name the notes. G, F, E, D, C, B, C, E, G. One more time. G, F, E, D, C, B, C, E, G. Okay, good. Next measure is fifth measure. There are two notes. One of them is half note. D. 1 and 2 and F note. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and good. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and good. Sixth measure, just only one note, is G. And there is half note is point. As we know, its notes should sound for all measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and now we can play fifth and sixth measure all together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and good. So now we're going to see what we can get in the seventh and eighth measure. Let's listen. Okay. Actually, they equal what we learn and measures 3 and 4. On the third and fourth measure, it's equal, it's the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and try to do it one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and good. And now we're gonna play fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth measure all together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 one more time. Fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth measures we are going to play all together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 now we ready for playing first part, which is first line. Whole first part, first line we can play right now. Let's do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 good for us. Let's do it one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 good job. So now we know how to work with Merriman piece. We learned it on the sample of the first part, and second part we definitely can read by yourself. And let's meet our next time, our next class, and you can show me how can you do it. Okay, so see you next time. Good luck.